everyone, welcome to Smart Investments Company Analysis episode number 15. Recently हमने एरोस्पेस एंड डिफेंस सेक्टर की बूमिंग डिमांड देखी है ड्यू टू ऑनगोइंग जियोपॉलिटिकल कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स, राइजिंग सिक्योरिटी कंसर्न्स around the world, international trade, expansion of space sector and more. Aerospace and defense sectors stand at the forefront of technological innovation and strategic development, playing a pivotal role in shaping the global landscape. With cutting-edge advancements in aircraft design, satellite technologies, and defense systems, this sector not only fuels the progression of modern air travel but also fortifies national security frameworks worldwide. Nations are required to modernize and strengthen their military forces, encouraging investments in advanced defense technologies and equipments. As the sector navigates through challenges and opportunities, it remains a driving force in driving global progress and safeguarding the future of nations. तो आज हम बात करेंगे एक ऐसी कंपनी का जो कि इंडिया की वन ऑफ द लीडिंग एरोस्पेस एंड डिफेंस कंपनी है, and the company is Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. HAL is a Bangalore-based Indian state-owned aerospace and defense company. HAL, founded on December 23 in year 1940, is one of the world's oldest and largest aerospace and defense manufacturers. The company is engaged in the design, development, manufacture, repair, overhaul, upgrade, and servicing of a wide range of products including aircraft, helicopters, aero engines, avionics, accessories, and aerospace structures. The company currently operates 11 dedicated R&D centers and 21 manufacturing divisions across 4 production units in India. HAL is managed by a board of directors appointed by the President of India through the Government of India's Ministry of Defence. HAL began aircraft production for the Indian Air Force in 1942 with licensed production of the Harlow PC-5, Curtiss P-36 Hawk and Vultee A-31 Vengeance. The HAL HF-24 Marriott fighter bomber was the first indigenous fighter aircraft made in India. Now, financials of the company. HAL की market cap rupees 1,26,103 crores है. इसका 52 week high 3,950 and 52 week low 1,718 है. Company's net sales was at rupees 12,494.67 crores in March 2023, up by 8.7%. Quarterly net profit at rupees 2,831.18 crores in March 2023, surged by 8.82%. And EBITDA stands at rupees 3,968.02 crores in March 2023, surged by 32.25%. as compared to March 2022. In last 1 year, the stock gave a return of 110% as compared to the rise of Sensex and Nifty in the same period. Now, projects of the company. GE Aerospace, the US-based aircraft engine supplier, signed MOU with India's public defense firm HAL to produce fighter jet engines F414 engines for the Indian Air Force in India. HAL and BEL signed a contract for co-development and co-production of long-range dual-band infrared search and track system for Su-30 MKL under the MAKE second procedure of Defence Acquisition Procedure 2020 as part of the Make in India initiative. The company's new aircraft, HAL Aircraft Hindustan 228201LW, has been approved by the DGCA. It has maximum takeoff weight of 5,695 kgs with 19 passengers capability. Recently, President of India inaugurated HAL's state-of-the-art integrated cryogenic engine manufacturing facility ICMF in Bangalore. The facility will cater to the entire rocket engine manufacturing under one roof for ISRO and boost self-reliance in manufacturing of high-thrust rocket engines. considering the company being market leader in defense sector, backed by the government's push towards manufacturing and development in India under Make in India and Atmanirbhar Bharat campaigns. Thank you everyone. If you guys like this video, do like, comment, share and follow us on our social media, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. For more such analysis on different companies, check out our research reports in new section of our website or application, and you can send in your request for analysis on other companies. You can also subscribe to our services such as SIR, BOSS, जिसमें हम फंडामेंटल एनालिसिस के बेसिस पे स्टॉक रिकमेंडेशंस देते हैं along with the research detailed reports. To subscribe, check out the link in description.